CustomFPV comes out first. He's going to be the first one hooking around the nose of the aircraft. Lap number 2, and CustomFPV keeps it alive. First place with a 32nd .411 lap. Just Jason crossing over in second place, a full 6 seconds behind. Meanwhile, Rec, after his bobbles, now trailing 7 seconds behind your leader. CustomFPV already through his second lap, now getting ready to round out the stacked sweeper. Here he is at the 270 and now hooking the nose of the 124 one more time. CustomFPV riding first place halfway through this heat, keeping it alive in first place, stacking a 23-second lap after his 32nd lap in front of Just Jason. Still riding second place, brought in a 24-second lap with a comfortable gap now in front of Rec. Chilling in third place, FPV Cam, unfortunately and somehow inexplicably chilling on the ground. We don't know what happened there. There's Custom getting ready to start his final lap, a 23.5 to follow his 23.8. Incredibly fast lap, unbelievable for Custom. Now he's hooking his way back into the door of that C124. It's looking pretty good for him at the front of this pack. I'm watching Just Jason. Still got a little bit of ground to make up, and there's an error for him, so sets himself a little farther back as we watch Rec. Brings around a 34 onto his final lap as Custom makes it official. First place with a 24 after a pair of 23s. Bravo, Custom.